Here's a simple invoice automation that you can start using today to increase your chances of getting paid quickly and improve your cash flow. I can't tell you the number of times that I've hired contractors and they've done a great job, but they don't send me their invoice for weeks, and I'm wondering how to pay them. If this is your business, then you could be leaving heaps of cash on the table and ruining your cash flow just because you're not sending invoices out quickly enough. So this particular automation can really help you to get those invoices out quicker, get more cash flow into your business, and be on your way to that financial freedom that you're looking for. So here's how it works. Okay, so on the screen, I've got here a project tracker. So what I'm doing is, it's just a simple Google spreadsheet that has the company name, the email, the project name, the project description, the invoice amount, the delivery date, the current date, the status, and basically a link. So what I'm doing with this spreadsheet is I'm just going to capture all of the different projects that I'm working on and a bit of information about them, because then what it will do with that information is we will transport it directly into a templated invoice like this one on the screen. Let's move me over here. So you can see you've got your company name and any contact details here. You've got the client's name, the payable to, invoice number, project name, delivery date, and all of these items in the curly brackets will be populated automatically with the correct information from the previous spreadsheet. And then what I want to do with it is basically when I update this project tracker by clicking send invoice, what will happen is it will pick up that information in the Google sheet, and it will download a copy of the template, the invoice template, populate it with all the correct information, and then automatically send an email. So let me show you how it works. I'm just going to click run once here, and over here, so I've got my project for John Wick. I'm a big fan of John. Okay, so send invoice now. So what I'm going to do is just click that. You can see it's been accepted, and as you can see, the automation is already happening in the background. So we've got it's picked up that information from the Google Sheets, it's created a new spreadsheet, it's downloaded it as a PDF, and now it's sent an email. So if we go over to my email here, it says, "Hi John, it's been a pleasure working with you on the retirement project. As mentioned, I think I found another way to increase your revenue by a further 10k a month. Let's discuss when you have time. Feel free to book into my calendar. Please find attached my invoice. Let me know if you have any questions." So let's open up the invoice. Here we go. It's an invoice for John Wick, payable to me, the retirement project. Poor guy, never gets to retire, does he? Automated contractor payments. So here we go, quantity 1, unit price. So it's all sort of listed here exactly as it was in the spreadsheet, which, you know, is pretty much what you want. So that's it really. It's so simple and so quick. And can you imagine just having to click one link and automatically your invoice gets generated? No more faffing around or waiting until the weekend when you've got time to send all your invoices out. No, get them out straight away after the job is done so that you can get paid more quickly. That's it for this video. Really quick and simple. If you have any questions, let me know, but do let me know in the comments what you think. And yeah, if you enjoyed this brief demo, please feel free to like and subscribe, because then I can see that there is interest in this kind of AI automation side of things, and I'll be very happy to make more videos as I go along discovering new areas. So yeah, that's it from me. Thank you very much. See you later.